I'm going to show you all how to make my famous buffalo chicken dip. Preheat to 350. Then you drain the chicken. Make sure it's in water. Dump all of your chicken into the bowl and make sure you chop it up real nice. Then you pour half a cup of buffalo wing sauce. We have exactly half a cup. Now make sure you pour it all into the chicken and scrape out your measuring cup. Next is half a cup of ranch dressing. Then we'll be adding 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now microwave that for 15 seconds to get softened up. Now mix the 8 ounces in with everything else. Make sure you stir it up really good, and next we'll be doing the mild cheddar cheese over there. And remember, I don't exactly follow the recipe that I listed here. That's a recipe my mom got from her friend, but I have modified it to my own recipe. And I use two 2-cup bags of cheese. So I put one of the 2-cup bags into the mix, and then I'll be putting the other 2-cup bag on top of it. Now just dump the whole thing in there. Now make sure to stir it up really good and chop up any big chunks you might see, especially if it's the cream cheese. Now make sure to stir it up really good and chop up any big chunks you might see, especially if it's the cream cheese. It should look like this by the end of the stirring, and normally I use 2 9-inch pie pans, but today I'm going to be using a 9x13 pan because we're taking it on vacation with us. Okay, pour it from the bowl into the dish and spread it out evenly, and next we'll be topping it with the rest of the cheese. Use the entire bag of cheese and evenly spread it all the way across it and make sure to get up into the corners. Next, just pour a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce in little lines all the way across it. And go back and forth a few times to make sure you get it all the way across. And this is the part where you decide how much you want depending on how spicy you like it. And this will be spicy. Next, we will put it in the oven for exactly 25 minutes. There we go. The dip should look like this when it's fresh out of the oven. And now you just let it cool for a while, and then you can eat it. I eat the dip with Louisiana sauce, putting extra on it as I eat it because I like it spicier than my friends do. And I eat it with these tortilla chips. And that's everything for this dish.